Sometimes when you're trying to solve the second layer and you're looking on the top for a centerpiece that's got no yellow on it, this isn't the case. As you can see here, all the centerpieces have got yellow. In fact, the whole top's got yellow. And the ones we want are already sort of on the second layer, there and there, just in the wrong position. In that case, all we do is we force the piece that we want out by putting a yellow one in there. So we follow the same algorithm, but we don't see the torch in the same way. So I want this one to fall into here to force this green red one out. Turn it away, side up, undo, undo. Do you see that there's our torch? It doesn't look like a torch because it's not the piece we want to put in there, but it will work. Turn it away, side up, undo, undo. And we force them dropped in this yellow one, which allows us to free up the non-yellow one. Remember now, make it a long T. Turn it away from where we want, side up, undo, undo. There's our torch. Torch towards the light, front face up, undo those two moves. We drop this one in, and by dropping that one in, we also push out this orange and green. Long T again. Want it to fall to the left, so turn it away, side up, undo, undo. There's our torch again. Turn it towards the light, front face up, undo, undo. And there is our second layer.